The health benefits and uses of dandelion root tea. 1. Dandelions are a common wildflower originally from Europe, Asia and North America. They now grow all over the world. 2. They are known by many as weeds, but the roots can be used to make a dandelion root tea, a natural medicine and healer. 3. They are most commonly enjoyed by steeping the roots in hot water to make a herbal tea. This is sometimes known as dandelion coffee. 4. The roots are harvested, sliced and roasted in the oven to preserve them and give them a roasted flavour. 5. Dandelion roots are rich in iron and antioxidants, which gets rid of dark circles and puffiness beneath the eyes. 6. Dandelion root tea is an excellent remedy for tonsillitis. It can also be added to delicious vegetable soups if you do not like the flavour. 7. Many people have used a combination of dandelion leaves, roots and other herbs to treat fibroids and ovarian cysts. 8. Drinking this tea on a daily basis gets rid of water retention and bloating. It does this by making you urinate more often, which is also cleansing to the system. 9. Dandelion effectively stimulates the gallbladder and purifies the blood. This reduces the risk of gallstones and helps the body to break down fat. 10. This is useful if you are trying to lose weight. Your body can begin to burn its own fat reserves more easily as the gallbladder produces more bile. 11. Its anti-inflammatory effects reduces muscle aches and joint pain for those who have been exercising or suffer with arthritis. 12. You can also purchase dandelion root in the form of capsules if you do not like the taste of the tea. Simply take these in the morning to enjoy the benefits internally. 13. The tea variety helps to settle an upset stomach and reduce intestinal gas. 14. The roots can be ground in a high-speed blender to make dandelion root powder. This is easier to steep or blend into healthy smoothies. 15. Those who suffer with hay fever or allergies can drink this to reduce histamine reactions. 16. The roots also contain healthy minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc and magnesium. These are important for excellent health. 17. They also contain vitamins C, B2, B3, B6, E and K, making dandelions a wonderful natural multivitamin. 18. The leaves of the plant can also be made into a tea. We recommend dehydrating these in the oven on a low temperature. They can then be stored long term in an airtight container. 19. The roots have also been shown in scientific studies to help those who are suffering with leukemia. 20. If you suffer with heart problems, then drinking this tea will reduce plaquing of the arteries, helping to maintain a healthy heart. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.